strangers. Now let it sit for a minute.
They're bouncing.
They're building.
And they're bouncing around.
Okay, let's get it soft.
It's getting really funny. This color is so cool.
With your tool.
Is this a dinosaur egg? It got dirty. I take mine now. It's got all the tails. Mommy, this is fun. I'm taking mine out. Now this is ruined. How can I see it? It's cooler. Let me fix it there.
Let's see it.
Now that's more neat. Mommy, maybe this one is the same. When this is done, we can do that. Mommy, this is in here. And that. Can I put this in there? Oh, sorry. And now it broke out. Hey, look, Mommy, I picked it out. Time for this one. Oh no, going too close. Wait, I have this thing coming. Mommy, colors, Mommy. Let me work. Pretty colors. What colors should I choose? Red or yellow? How about you do blue instead? What color should I do? Blue. What? Red. How about red? No thanks. I like better. I just said yellow, Mommy. Do you have colors? Yes. Mommy, this got red and this got yellow. I'm gonna make my room with yellow. I can do a handstand.
Where'd my dinosaurs go?
Wait, there you are. Dig, dig, dig. Found you. Dig, dig, dig. Found you for you. Ha 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 ha. Oh. You can't see me. I do now. Ha ha ha. Mommy. Help out. Help out. Hey, find me. Where did my blue go? I'm making a dinosaur. I'm just gonna move it. I'm making a dinosaur. Hey, let me ruin it. Hey, you ruined my ruin plan. Mommy, now I really mix them up. Now I really mix them up. Hey, I will hide you up. Hey, let's play tag. Even can we do yours? Mommy, we have yours. I have too much blue. Well, I don't. Mommy, your dinosaurs can live
That
with...
looks so cool when y'all do that.
Your dinosaurs can live with mine. And... Wow. It fell out. I'm scared to make some room so I can bury them. Okay, stay like that, Paul. Hey guys, do you want to see me smash this rainbow? Hold on. Hold on. We're trying to get ready so you can find us. Hey, find us. Find us. We're hiding. Stabby, I found you. Thanks. Thank you for your paws. Yeah. Thanks. Now I'm safe. Whee! Stomp, stomp, stomp. First, let me put it down. Hey, Daddy, wait for me, Daddy. It's definitely honey. What?
Are you stuck in there?
Yes. Hi, kid. Hi, kid.
Oh, there's your kid.
Hi.
Were you hiding?
Hi.
Were you hiding in there?
That's weather map got me in there.
Oh, okay.
Stop. Sorry. And there we go. And there she comes. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Hey, friends, come out, get. Hey, friends, there's a monster. No, that's my mom. That's my mom. A monster. No, Mommy, are you okay? Look at the monster. Wow.
You want to go in my house?
Oh, okay.
You want to come over here and go in the door?
Wait for me.
Oh, you're too big.
We are little.
Okay, you can come in my house too. Here's the door. Look at my house.
It's not going to be a house anymore.
Yes, it is.
Wow, look at my house. And too much. Hey, someone help us. Dig. So I can help you. This is very good. Now there's your kid. This is hey, Mommy, you're up. Well, I'm gonna put everyone, don't look at mine. I will build one. Hold on. Don't look away. Don't look at mine. I'm building. Hold on, I gotta make a door. 2 steps. 3. There we go. 4.
Cool.
6. Do you want to make some footsteps? 7. 8. 9. You can do it however you want. See? Look, I made a house. Mommy, isn't it weird?
Should I go to this house or should I go to this house?
Please, mine, please.
Which house is mine?
Mine, yours. This is your house. This is your house. This is your house.
I don't know.
This is your house, please.
Maybe I can go to both?
No, this is your funnest house. Yeah, this is your funnest house. No way, I made it so hard. I got a slide.
Oh, slow down. Can I go here? Oh, let me eat.
Here's the steps down to the slide.
Yeah.
No! This is your big brother, Sissy Sassy. Now, come on to the sand. When you're done, you can walk. Stay out. What is this?
I don't know. It looks bumpy.
It's a sand pit. It's our sand pit. Yay, sand pit.
Yay.
You can make good paws.
Oh, yeah. Let's do that.
Let's go kick.
Cool.
What's spinning?